Good stuff there, good stuff there. Guys, I am a seafood fanatic. Seafood. The bossy chef. I'm going good, I'm going good.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Well, this one is low-key because really and truly we are doing today we do a lot of activities and we really feel for mostly seafood, so we kind of go light tonight for dinner and just a reflect on everything that it's the word today. If you have somebody, it's very important to have like couples time, especially if you are somebody that have children. While it is necessary to care for your children, you have to find time for your spouse. So sometimes if you can live in a busy lifestyle, whether in US, anywhere, Jamaica, anywhere, when you have to find that vacation time, maybe a 2-day, maybe a 3-day, that is just for you and your spouse to reconnect. Very important, for just relationship and overall mental health, because they have to keep the mental and you have to keep it. You can talk over things that you disagree with and we can think of way forward things. So that's what we were just doing. And then being in the hotel environment, a lot of tourists are here, people from different cultural background, and we're really noticing that persons, especially of Caucasian background, even when they're old, like really old, they're still together and they still think it is important to vacation. There's no kids, it's basically couples, and sometimes they come with a friend, with their husband and their wife, but they make time for couples. And I think in our race we're shorter than that, and we really should try to incorporate some of the, like, the positive stuff from different races in our thing, just by observation. It's just a good thing, and I just think I would share it with you because even I'm self-reflecting. So I'm going to just show you what I have in my plate.
Yeah, before you show them that still, is it that we're noticing that because we're here now and see that?
Well, so I always talk about it before because years ago, Jermaine and I was traveling with Jaden, and like, I don't know if it's rare, but as a black couple, and at the time we were very young, with a good enough child, everybody was staring at us in the plane like they're shocked to see a black couple with a child doing vacation. So it's something that we should incorporate definitely as Jamaicans, just to keep the family unit stable. And if that was given by our mothers and foreparents, we should definitely make an effort to break generational curses and just have a better stable environment for our kids and grandkids to come, because togetherness in the family with the mother and the father, it really set a good tone for the child to bring home a nice wife or a nice husband, and then everybody live at one. So the chain and balance is not like you're gonna have, like, when your mother's single, sometimes it causes them to need more attention than a mother that is married or in a relationship. So we need to keep, just like we have to keep the food chain, you understand, stable, we have to keep every chain, family chain stable. You understand, because as you grow older, you need companionship. So I don't have all the answers, because you see, I'm still in a learning stage, still observing, but I'm trying to take the positives from everything that I'm seeing and try to just incorporate what I never learned formally or by association. Notice it now and try to make a really good change. You understand?
True. So and not only the plane situation too, even when we were much younger in our early 20s with Jado, we used to walk around everywhere. Crossroad, Alpha Tree, Uptown. We used to go pizza out after in the Emancipation Park, and there used to be a lot of people looking at us based on how young we were, and we did look really young too. We were like 23 and we looked like 19, walking around with a 2-year-old all over the place, and people used to look at us in admiration, don't it? Yeah, so
guys know Jade no feel burdened because we have with each other's company because now Jade are around there chasing.
we have our own
girls.
life. So Jada asked you guys if if we're going to sit with him or what because he found some new friends.
Yeah.
And we said no, you can sit by yourself, and it was like really.
Relief.
Yeah, because he want to hang out with some people and meet. So importantly, it's good when as wife and husband you can find real companionship between both of you guys, and you don't really have to be following up your kids too much, because they're gonna have their own life to live.
Yes.
So you have to try find yourself outside of your kids. You don't know you love your kids the same way, but you have to have on a life separately because when they get older, now they're gonna want to move on and you're holding on, and it's gonna be a big problem. You understand? So it's good so you start practice from now in your 20s and your 30s and your 40s and your 50s to build your life outside of your kids, you know what I mean? So tonight is like a date night setting. We're now do the bolo slush tonight, we are the seafood. So without further ado, we'll show you what we have and so on. And soon see the guy behind the camera still. So, because see Rashi played first.
Jerk, coconut fish. We have when the
grilled shrimp.
Grilled shrimp and the kebab stick. You're not seeing it, but I have scallop at the bottom. See it here. And I have the Caesar dressing. And
let me see scallops again. Lift up the shrimp. Nice.
Scallop.
Nice.
Yeah,
and you saw those being done at the start of the video.
Yes. And we put a little red meat, a little beef for taste up the mouth. I've never had lamb, so I put 2 pieces just to try it. This is jerk lamb and this is a seafood mix.
Yeah.
And little rice and peas, I'm not sure I'm gonna have it because I feel full since I'm here.
Yeah, too much food.
So I just feel so full.
Guys, we can't forget to show you everything.
And Jermaine too.
We're not sure that as yet. So this is what now. This was jerk fish as well, don't it? We basically got the same thing.
Yeah, but mine is coconut milk.
Coconut milk, okay. And shrimp seafood as well, mix. A little plant on the side, the seafood mix. I didn't take any lamb. And we have a bowl. Scallops. And we have a bowl of shrimp there. And you have your rosé and your fruit punch. And your guy can't leave out pineapple. You know what I mean? Pineapple juice. So it's a good look. You guys gonna see the guy behind the camera now. But good discussion. It's just amazing. You see everybody out to enjoy themselves, no matter the age.
Yeah, you can just try and show them a little.
Huh?
If you flip the camera, they'll see what we're talking about.
For real, for real.
So guys, if you're seeing Jermaine, but I'm using this opportunity to show you what I'm talking about.
Guys, the food look bossy, we're all about food, but to be honest, it's like even when we were in the one, that's our buffet set up, don't it?
Yeah.
It's like we start feel full because we've been eating so much. And we've not even really been eating so much, but there's so much food at the disposal. We don't know all inclusive already. Say, it's gonna be all there. It just make you start feel like full before you're really full. So just enjoying ourselves basically. Place is really nice, and as Rashida was discussing a while ago, it's just being on this vacation, it gives you the opportunity to slow down for me personally, because I'm always in a rush to edit videos, rush to go to work, rush to look about business, rush to sleep. Rush to wake
come
up.
to Rashida.
And I've been doing that for 3 years, rush to pick you up from work. So like this time here, vacation, hotel vibes, it just give me a time of relaxation, and it causes me to be more, how would I put this now?
Reflective.
No, would I be more proficient in my thought process? I'm thinking more clearly. You know what I mean?
So you get a what you do to reset? You get a reset.
Big thank you to you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't even be doing this. Like recording memories and sharing content with you guys, because without no audience, there's nobody to watch. Obviously, there's no Russian Valley Vlogs, there's no channel. So we're hopeful. We hope that with us doing these videos, it kind of somewhat help persons to steer their life. And it's a token of inspiration for persons out there who just want to live life, because it's not like back in the days when our parents, our grandparents didn't know how to handle themselves. Them just raise kids and that's it. Now everyday modern society, people trying to have more fun, them trying to do things more comprehensively. Them a do business, them a raise kids, them a buy house. It's just a lot of people doing it. So in the midst of that, we're just glad for the opportunity so we can show you guys what we're doing and give a token of inspiration, basically.
And guys, as it relates to like Canadian content, so we have some Canadian content coming out for those who actually subscribe for that. However, in the meantime, persons have been sending us queries via Gmail and in latter times WhatsApp. So if you have an urgent case and you need our advice on anything on the way forward, feel free to send us a Gmail. I know that sometimes you have some confidential cases or some private cases. We don't need to make videos on that sometimes. You just need to just send us a message and we can just direct you where to go and so on. Because we do that free of cost. We are like that. We like to help persons. We know that Canada is closed in terms of information. So if you need anything re your immigration journey, what we don't know, we actually can send you somewhere somebody knows, right?
We're not gonna act like we know it all and give you advice that we're not completely sure about.
Yes.
If we're sure, we'll tell you that we're sure, and if we're not sure, we'll send you to someone who is sure. You know what I mean? So we're not gonna say, all right, this is a one-stop shop that we know everything, and we'll be the person guiding you along the way. No, we tell you what we know, and then we'll pass it along to the person who a specialist in the area, so you know, so your business serious. We are people like this. We can't be advising you and we don't know what we're talking about. We'd rather hand you over to somebody who them know what them are talking about.
Right.
Yeah.
But if you need like things that we actually did that you didn't, like you hear it in our video and you think it's similar to your case but you're not really sure, I can actually give you that free, like basically tell you what I did. Persons been sending us numerous messages to ask us if we do any type of those service. We don't do it for a cost, right? So it's just, we just like to help people and we will just help you and just share exactly what we did.
And
right?
good point to raise, and not because we're not doing the video, it means that we don't have the content. It's just that there's another piece of Canada that we really love showing, the social aspect. Right? We are lifestyle vloggers, but we so happen to live in Canada and walk the Canada journey.
Right.
So we make those videos so persons who are walking or who are planning to walk that exact journey can learn something. But outside of that, we'll be showing you the social aspect of Canada, moving around and doing stuff. And also sharing with you what we do on a day-to-day basis. You know what I mean? What Rashi and Wally like. You might see things that we are doing that you like and you can learn different ways of doing it. So it's not about the same topic every day. There are persons out there who are doing that. I know we have it all, but as we say, we're not specify into that, giving you back-to-back videos into that. So if you're still pushing out content and you're not seeing that, don't feel no way. You know what I mean? Don't feel no way.
If you have any questions, as I say, feel free to send us a message, right?
Yeah, man.
So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this vlog so far.
They want to see how eat though. They want to see how eat.
They want to see me eat?
To see if you eat bad or so.
We eat bad. Guys, me a foodie, you know? Well, you don't know that. This girl not stay far from our kitchen.
The seafood mix nice, isn't it?
Yeah, nice, but the taste is the taste is.
Guys, the seafood mix bad.
You know, some have one of the fridge, me make it and show them.
You can make it like this?
Yeah. Yes, yes. You make it brighty.
For sure. Guys, I should love big up myself as big old chef, you know. I'm supposed to be high enough.
Taste is scallop.
This reminds me of one of my favorite YouTubers I'm watching him wife, you know? And they go to the restaurant and do them stuff and eat out. And we're doing it right now.
Guys, if you're inspired by anything that you see on TV, whether you were young, whether last year, this year, today, this morning, do it. And don't care when naysayers say, do it. I aspire to have this life and know when I think I can make it happen, I make it happen. You can't sit down and worry about who's gonna say this, because the people gonna say things that are negative when they can't do it, or because it's you that's doing it, and they don't want that for you. Well, honey, I want this for myself, and I hope you'll have it too, right?
I mean, this is something I have to whisper, guys. Why people can come in our country, come live good, and go all over the world and live good? Why we can't live good to us black people?
True. We should.
As we see each other trying to step up,
Try to
get
tear
corrupt,
down each other.
I will tear them down and say, boy, them show off and them this and them that. No. Then why white people doing it? It is not for us.
And they are not gonna say that, you know.
Yeah, why when you see white people doing the nice stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah. Supposed to be it too. Guys, Russia touch me and say to me, I start low, you know what I mean? But yeah, they're supposed to can do it too.
So any word of advice to give people before you close off the valve?
Alright guys, so this is just to say that don't do what everybody else doing.
Do what you have planned.
The way you have planned. It will cause chaos, it will cause confusion in your life. If you see Russian want to go into a hotel now, that might not be the best thing for you now. It might be the best thing for you now, might be an immigration journey. You know, whatever stuff you need to submit. For somebody else, it might be a house that they need to finish. For somebody else, you finish the house, there might be a car you want. So don't want a car and see somebody working and going to America to get married. And you finish your dream where you do at Jamaica and you're gonna, you know what I mean? You're gonna America and trying to get married too. No, have your own goals and your own ambitions and work at them. In the midst of that, of course, you can look around and see new ideas, but make sure you finish what you start.
What do you mean you eat lamb already? No, not the taste it. I know it, but I never
Could you believe when
remember.
you say you never eat lamb yet?
I remember eating it though, but now I taste it. I think the person who made me eat this, I have a family member named Auntie Peaches. I think that she made me taste it. Now I taste it, I remember it.
Because my previous job, we used to keep Christmas party and every year they serve lamb and so on. But yeah, with that being said, guys, just work on you, work on your own ambitions, and don't follow fashion monkey. Leave behind.
And guys, just work anything that you have as your life goal. Just basically just keep focused and just work on your dream, whatever that is. And remember, once you're coming out of a level, once you're leveling up, you're going to be offensive to somebody. You're going to be offending somebody. You're not deliberately, you're not doing it, but that's going to be the case. Because what I'm saying, when you grow, you notice when you grow, your shoes start squeezing, you start getting uncomfortable. So you pray to God, say, God, no one reach this level. But when He give you this blessing, it also comes with curses, because you're going to have people who offended by it, like a lot. So you have to just basically close your eyes, not think about that, but at the same time, don't lose yourself during the time. Don't lose humility. Humility is not, when I say people now even I use the word humble, like in a way. Humble don't mean poor, you know. Humble means that even when you can hide from people, you don't do it.
You don't do it.
You have people know when we even see the platforms, since people have platforms on YouTube, I realize you have some people who, don't get me wrong, God make everybody equal. But what them say? You have man and man, and you have man and man. Right? And some people,
You have man and you have man.
you have man and you have man. You know what that means?
It means to you, if man better than man.
Alright.
Can be not how God make you, but the ambitions and how you think. Some person think low, some people think great. The great thinkers cause them to achieve great things. So you have man and you have man. Some man want to be a street sweeper or a gambler. Some man want to be the prime minister. So you have man and you have man. Every man different. You understand? So don't make because you see a man and try to strive. Right? And it so happens that we're on YouTube, I have a platform, so your person end up seeing you striving. You say that person is show off.
No, and then the next thing, you have some persons, because they have a platform, like you can see through them. Like people who have high IQ can see, like literally in a Jamaican term, would I say they never used to nothing. They never eat from table when they little. They never eat, they eat from floor. Nothing wrong with that. Is once you reach in a situation where you can have impact on people, you don't mislead them. Don't mislead
It's just
people.
mentality. I know what you're trying to
Yeah.
say. It's just mentality.
It's like them
You
evil
can-
group, them now grow out of that
Out of
mentality.
the
It's
poverty
like
mentality.
them,
Not because
they are better
not
off.
because they grow poor. Every day you talk about being poor. My family is from our family is from a really humble beginning. You know what I mean? And it's not going to stop here. We're going to push for greatness. Sky is the limit, guys
And
out
with
there.
every generation that we had, it got better.
Good.
And I want it to be better for Jaden. You understand? And you should want that for your
For
kids
your
too.
kids as well. Don't let anyone brainwash you to think that humility has to do with not wanting good things in life and not having ambition. You understand? They are totally different. There are persons who are lovers of the nicest things and they are still humble. They are willing to share with people and they don't show off on people. Persons who see persons striving and say that they are show off because their mind is low. So just remember that, guys.
Alright guys, so we're gonna finish up dinner right now. And I have some more interesting vlogs following this one, so stay tuned for that. My love and a big up on yourself. I'll see you guys. And guys, if you never did, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. We have a beautiful family here. Who don't know Jade and big him up. And God knows us a look girl. This guy all about Snap. And Jermaine and I, we're doing our thing, right? So we're just sending love and blessing your way. Happiness and all of that. And if at this time you're watching us and you're in a really sad situation, it's gonna get better. I can tell you that, to be very frank. Even last week I was in a very sad situation, but me get over that. And you see me still never come on the channel and I never tell you say me down, because I'm not gonna come and just share that. I don't want to come share some me down. I will give you how I overcame that. So I have other videos for give you inspiration as ladies. Sometimes we have things we're going through mentally. Nobody don't know that we're fighting this battle, but we have it internally. I still have those things. I'm none at all not perfect. Jeremy is not perfect. We don't have a perfect marriage. Let me just declare that. But we have a friendship, we have a connection, and we do disagree and a lot too, and have to work on ourselves continuously. So it's just not a perfect world. Like, we don't find it perfect, but we still have individual struggles. Like, we try to streamline ourselves and we just share it with you as we trying to grow, right? So I'm talking from a totally imperfect space and as an imperfect person.
Yeah.
Just like you, I have the things them I back with too. So what my struggle is might not be yours and vice versa. But as time goes, and I will share whatever I'm struggling with and how I overcame it, because I want to inspire somebody that it's not the end of the world. Your problem is bigger than nobody else. It can fix. Some things time fix it and some effort fix it. Right? So we're gonna get right into that. I'm gonna share a lot of stuff that happened to me personally, and I'm gonna share it very soon. Yeah man, I'm gonna leak it out. So stay tuned for all of that. And if you haven't subscribed, you need to get them information there. You need to
Good stuff
subscribe
coming up, guys.
right now. I have all of that, so just stay focused, stay blessed, and keep positive. Anything that you're battling right now, you're not the first and you won't be the last, and you're going to overcome it. In the name of Jesus, right? So we are claim happiness and victory straight for 2023 and beyond, right? So guys, I thank you for staying with you, and if you reach the end of this video and you don't like it, go and like it right now. And
So
put up,
press the like button, guys.
press the like button, guys, and subscribe if you haven't. And remember the comment below, because Rashi want to read it, and I need to know by name. And for all of you who send me things in my inbox and pull it up, I not see you below. Drop something below, either some star or some love. Say Rashi, I love the advice.
Guys, what love inbox, drop a comment below.
Inbox people, drop it below. Alright guys, I'll see you. Bye y'all.
Big up on yourself, we're out.